On the first day of this hearing at The Hague, East Timor's council spoke for just more than 2 hours, strongly condemning the raids carried out last year on the offices of East Timor's legal counsel Bernard Collaery in Canberra. East Timor's council said that the raids violated East Timor's sovereignty and violated international law. The first council to get up to speak on behalf of East Timor was Sir Eli Lauterpacht.
This unprecedented and improper, indeed inexplicable conduct, compounded at various times by self-contradictory statements on behalf of Australia, is not the behaviour of some state that does not subscribe to normal standards of international legal behaviour. Rather, it is the behaviour of a state of considerable international standing. Its behaviour in the present situation defies understanding.
That was Sir Eli Lauterpacht. The East Timorese are saying the reason why this seized material is so contentious is that it was seized after the arbitration process had begun between East Timor and Australia. That arbitration is about the oil and gas treaty that the two countries signed. As we can recall, East Timor is alleging that Australian spies bugged Dili cabinet officers as that treaty was being negotiated, and therefore the treaty is invalid. And so East Timor is saying that this material that has to do with the arbitration case shouldn't be in Australian hands, that it puts Dili at very much a disadvantage when it comes to negotiating. What Sir Michael Wood says is that, speaking on behalf of East Timor, was that East Timor is not convinced by Australian reassurances that that material would not fall into the hands of anyone involved in the arbitration. And he also said that East Timor wasn't convinced by the national security arguments that Australia has put forward as justification for the raids.
The court should indeed be prudent, but national security and the enforcement of criminal law are not some magic wand that makes the rights and obligations of states under international law vanish.
That was Sir Michael Wood. After the proceedings, I spoke with East Timor's Foreign Minister, Jose Guterres, and he told me that in the wake of this affair and other spying scandals in the region, that Australia should rethink its approach to East Timor and to Indonesia.
We really want to work together as a trilateral, as a partner. But the policies that have been going on for many years, you have to change it, because it doesn't create trust between the neighboring countries. No one will trust any country that does this kind of actions, whether big or small.
That was Jose Guterres. Now, East Timor has had its chance to make its submission to the panel of judges here at the International Court of Justice. It's Australia's turn next.